So in this video, what I want to do is I want to walk you through your last assignment before the midterm, and this is morphology. And so this is due before October 13th, and that is going into your fall break, right? Because fall break starts on the Friday, right? Of that week. So if you want to do complete the assignment before that, you're welcome to do so. You don't have to wait until Sunday to do it, so that I can actually grade it and give it back to you before you take your midterm next week. But it's due on Sunday before 11:59. And I have three questions for you to do in this assignment. The first one has to do with some words that I've given you, and I want you to answer whether these words are simple or complex. A word is simple if it has only one morpheme, and a word is complex if it has more than one morpheme. And for the words that are complex, I want you to circle all the bound morphemes. And for all the words, I want you to underline the roots of the word, right? So underline the root of the word and circle all the bound morpheme for question number one. Question number two, very straightforward. I want you to draw morphological tree structures for each of these words. The first one is inexpensive, and the second one is disfigurement. So what I want you to do is to translate these into IPA first, and then figure out what the root of the word is, and then figure out what the prefixes are and the suffixes are of this word, and determine which suffix can actually attach first, and then what prefix or suffix can attach next, right? There could be more than one way of doing it, just like unlockable, but like redoable, there may only be one way of doing it. So you have to be a little careful in deciding whether there are two ways of doing it or one way of doing it, all right? For exercise 3, I've given you two words and I've asked you, are these compounds? And if they are compounds, tell me what the head of each of these compounds are. All right, so very straightforward assignment, 3 questions, 10 points, 4 points for the first one, 4 points for the next one, and 2 points for the last question. All right, let me know if you have any questions about this.